How to get attractive eyes. Look at this. Two people walk into a room. One speaks, the other doesn't say a word, but everyone notices him. Why? His eyes. Not bigger, not special, just attractive. And the crazy part? Most people destroy their eye attractiveness every single day without realizing it. Let me show you how to fix it. Your eyes are like your personal trailer. Before someone knows your personality, before they hear your voice, they read your eyes. Confidence, energy, focus, or tired, stressed, uninterested. That's why people with attractive eyes seem magnetic, not because of genetics, but because their eyes look alive. And that starts with something almost nobody thinks about: sleep. But sleep is only the beginning. Think about your daily routine. Phone, laptop, more phone. Your eyes are basically working a 12-hour shift staring at glowing rectangles. The result? Dry eyes, redness, dark circles. It's like trying to show off a luxury car covered in dust. The fix is simple. Every 20 minutes, look away from the screen for 20 seconds. Blink slowly. Let your eyes relax. It sounds small, but this tiny habit can instantly make your eyes look healthier and brighter. But even if your eyes are healthy, your face might still be hiding them, and the reason is surprisingly simple. Your eyebrows frame your eyes. Your eyebrows are the frame of a painting. Even a masterpiece looks messy inside a broken frame. Messy eyebrows make your eyes look tired or unfocused. You don't need perfect model eyebrows. Just follow one rule. Clean, not thin. Remove stray hairs. Keep the natural shape. That's it. Suddenly, your eyes look sharper, more defined, almost like turning the contrast up on a photo. But there's something even more powerful than grooming, and it changes your eyes instantly. The confidence effect. Have you noticed this? Some people don't have amazing features, but their eyes still look attractive. Why? Eye contact. When someone avoids eye contact, their eyes look weak. When someone holds it calmly, their eyes look powerful. Not staring like a psychopath, just relaxed eye contact when talking. Think of it like a spotlight. Your attention tells people, "I'm present," and presence is attractive. But there's one habit that silently ruins eye attractiveness for most people, and it has nothing to do with your face. Fix your posture. Look around. Most people walk like this: head down, shoulders forward, eyes glued to the ground. Your eyes can't look attractive if they're always hiding. When your posture improves, chest up, head level, eyes forward, your gaze becomes open and confident. Suddenly, your eyes look calmer, sharper, more focused. Same eyes, different energy. And that's the real secret. Attractive eyes aren't about color, or shape, or genetics. They're about energy. Sleep well, relax your eyes, frame them properly, make eye contact, stand tall. Do these 5 things, and people won't remember what you said first. They'll remember your eyes, because the most attractive eyes are the ones that look awake, confident, and alive.